Download the Toya Smart app. Once that's been downloaded, open the app, hit the plus button in the top right hand corner, hit add device. It will then start searching for the fire. The power button on the display screen, keep hold that button till it displays P0. That will then show up your fire on the add device screen. Simply select and then press the next button. This will then start to pair the fire with the mobile phone. Once this has successfully been paired, the bed of the fire, which is the base, will illuminate green. And you'll then get a green tick on the phone on the add device. You can click the pen button and rename that. So if you have a couple of fires in the home, you can simply change the name of them. As you can see here, we've got Lazio 2500X. Once you've got the app open, you'll have different heat settings. Click the heat button, you will have blow. For the fan, for the cool air, you'll have 2 heat settings, or you can click off if you want to just enjoy the aesthetics. Then hit function. At the top you've got flame color, 3 different flame colors, and then you've also got different combinations of those flames. Then you scroll up, we can see the bed color, which is the fuel beds, and we can also change the different brightness of that on the next setting down, but most of the time you'll keep that on 100%. Then you have downlight colours. These are the lights that shine down onto the bedding, which, as you can see here, are shining down onto the British woodland logs. You've also got the timer, if we only want to put the fire on for a certain amount of time. Different flame speeds. The volume is for the crackling sound effect. You've got the 3 different volume settings, or we can turn that off. And you've got the LED smouldering embers, which is noted down as light belt. So if we turn the down lights off and we put that light belt on, you will see the LED smouldering embers live in action. And if we scroll to the bottom of the app, we can disable the heat, so the heat can't be activated on the touch glass display on the fire. Ideal for little ones. Take that back off there. You'll see on that main screen again, you can turn your fire off and on that screen, and also play about with the temperature.